Have you ever had one of those nights where you went a little overboard with the sweets? Maybe some cake, a few cookies, or a sugary drink? And now you're lying in bed wondering how to undo the damage? I get it. We've all been there. But here's the thing. While there's no magic button to instantly erase sugar from your system, there are a few smart steps you can take overnight to help your body flush it out more efficiently. And no, it doesn't involve extreme detox drinks or starving yourself. Just simple, practical steps anyone can follow. First, let's talk about water. This might sound basic, but it's the most underrated tool your body uses to process and eliminate excess sugar. Drinking plenty of water before bed and when you wake up helps your kidneys do their job, flushing out toxins, including that extra sugar. Think of it like giving your internal system a gentle rinse. Aim for a couple of glasses in the evening and keep water by your bed to sip if you wake up during the night. Next up, fiber. If you've had too much sugar, pairing it with fiber can help slow down the spike in your blood sugar. Foods like chia seeds, oats, apples, or even a small handful of almonds can help stabilize things. A fiber-rich evening snack won't just help with digestion, it'll also keep you from waking up starving in the middle of the night due to that sugar crash. Now, here's something people often overlook: movement. No, I'm not saying you should do a full workout at midnight, but even a short walk after dinner can do wonders. Light movement helps your muscles use up some of that glucose floating around in your blood, which means less is stored as fat. It doesn't have to be intense. Just 10 or 15 minutes of light walking around your home is enough. Let's not forget about sleep. Quality sleep is actually crucial for managing blood sugar levels. When you don't sleep well, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin, which makes it harder to process sugar. So dim the lights, turn off the screens, and aim for at least 7 hours of good sleep. Your body will be working in the background all night long to balance things out. And here's a little bonus tip: herbal teas. Something like cinnamon tea or ginger tea can help with digestion and has natural compounds that support blood sugar control. Plus, it's a relaxing ritual that signals your body it's time to wind down. The key here is not to panic or try some extreme remedy. Sugar happens, it's a part of life. What matters is how you respond. With water, fiber, gentle movement, good sleep, and a little support from nature, your body can get back on track faster than you think. So the next time you feel that sugar overload creeping in, don't stress. You've got options, and your body is ready to work with you, not against you.